AI Kids Learning Game Builder Review. Hello humans and welcome to your channel TubeCore. And this video will talk about this software called AI Kids Learning Game Builder. So right now we are on the sales page. How do you come to the sales page? For that you will find a link below my YouTube video. It will be saying grab AI Kids Learning Game Builder, copy here, click on that link and that link will take you to the sales page. Okay, so let me see, what do we have? It says world's first AI that builds, launches, and runs a complete kids learning gaming platform for you 24/7. Powered by smart AI game generation, launch your own educational gaming empire for kids. Okay, so you can come to the sales page using my link below, and then let's keep scrolling. So these are those Math Master Word Wizard Puzzle Builder, and to know exactly how this software works, you have to come on the sales page and then keep scrolling until you find the demo video. So let me see, demo video is updated or not yet. So you can see demo video is coming soon. So this product is launching on 25th of July. I'm recording the review on 24th of July. So by the time it will be live, this demo will be updated. For now, you can see that demo video is not updated. Okay, so it's coming soon. However, let's talk about the OTOs here. So, before OTOs, let me see if we have any questions. But when you come to the sales page and scroll halfway through, you will find the demo video when it goes live, so that you can see the demo video first and then go and buy this using my link below. And even if you don't want this software, but still if you want my bonuses, then you have to go and buy using my link below, because we'll discuss about the bonuses in the end in next 2 minutes. So I don't talk about the bonuses in the beginning, so you have to watch the video till the end to know what my bonuses are, how you can get them, and how to make real money online. So keep watching, and then let's see if we have any question answers at the bottom. So it says, how long will the one-time price be available? Do I need any experience? Do I need to install? No. Is this a one-time? Yes. What exactly does Builder do? So it's a complete kids educational tech platform. You will see the demo video when it is updated, then only you'll understand. Can I use this to make money? Of course you can. Will this work on Mac and PC? It will. What makes this different from other educational tools? Most tools are just single app with monthly fees. This is a one-time cost with 40 plus games. Are the games safe and suitable for children? Yes. What if I don't like it? They have the refund money back guarantee. Anyways, so long story short, just go on the sales page using my link below and then watch that video whenever the demo video is available. Once the product goes live, you will be able to see the demo video. Okay. Right. Now we have some OTOs, so let's discuss what you will be getting in the front end. And you might get some discount coupon as well when the product goes live. Right now, nothing is updated because I'm doing an early review, okay? But when the product goes live, you will get some discount as well. And watch the demo video and watch the video till the end to know my bonuses as well. So this is what you will be getting in the front end. This is OTO 1, unlimited version. So go and buy OTO 1 if you want everything unlimited. And then OTO 2 is this, I guess, done for you something. And OTO 3 is automation, OTO 4 is studio, OTO 5 is traffic monetization, OTO 6 is agency license, OTO 7 is reseller license, OTO 8 is franchisee edition, OTO 9 is white label license. Go and buy all the OTOs, okay? And you can see my bonus URL is linked with the sales page URL. So when you go and buy using my link below, the bonuses will be delivered automatically. Now, if you want to know what my bonuses are and how you can get them and how to make money online, then watch the video till the end. Alrighty humans, so we are done with the review. Now let's talk about the bonuses. So the number one bonus is free lifetime email autoresponder. So if you want to get started with email marketing, you will need an email autoresponder so that you can grab leads and send emails. So you will get this for free. And then second is access review to profit AI. So that's my software right here. You just type in your product name, the sales page, some keywords here, and then choose one of these things and click on generate campaign, and you will get all the marketing material. Okay, so review to profit AI. And if you want to see the demo video for review to profit AI, then you can click on this link, says check out all my Warrior Plus products right here. And then you will come here and click on this link and go and watch the demo video for review to profit AI, okay, to know how this works. But it's quite simple actually. So next bonus is grab kiss jacking free copy. So this is a 2 hours training on YouTube, which looks like this. 2 hours 9 minutes, and in this training you will learn exactly what I am doing right now or what others are doing, meaning that how to make these YouTube reviews and how to get sales. So you can start a brand new channel and do these reviews and get some sales and make some commission. If you want to do that, this training is for you. Okay. Then we have Forex Profit Machine. This is a PDF guide for those people who are curious about Forex trading. So if you know nothing about it, you can go through this 11,000 words PDF with case studies to get a basic idea what Forex trading is. Okay. And if you have any questions, you can drop me an email on this. And what else do we have? So let's come below my video. We have some links which you can use to make money. So this link says swing like a pro. This is not for everybody. It's for only it's for people who are interested in trading. Okay, so in case you have the funds to invest, you can try this trading if you want. You can find more information if you click on this link and follow the instructions and watch the videos. Okay, so the requirement is that you have to have the money. It's not for people who are living on budget. Okay. Second link is get YouTube channel monetized and make money. So this is all. This is for people who want to make YouTube videos and make money by getting free traffic. Okay, so when people watch YouTube videos, they are your free traffic, just like you're watching my video, right? So you can click on this link and find more information with this YouTube program that's called Traffic Jarvis. Your YouTube channel will be monetized just within 4 weeks. Okay, so go and try this. If you are serious about making money on YouTube, this is for you. And then if you want to buy my software, my Warrior Plus products, you click on this link and then you come here and you can buy the Shim AI or Launch to Profit AI, because this one will generate awesome images for you. You can use that in ChatGPT or wherever. Okay, so go and watch the demo here. And Launch to Profit AI will generate all the affiliate campaigns. So go and click on these pages and watch the demo video there. Okay. What else do we have? We have a system which says get 100 leads per day. So if you want 100 email leads per day and also you want to email them once per day, then go and check out this link here. And then it says book consultation with me. So if you click on this link here, you can speak to me one-to-one if you have any questions about anything. And you come here and click on book now. That will cost you $97 for 40 minutes. Okay, so you can speak to me one-to-one audio call, 40 minutes, $97. So you make the payment and then drop me an email with your timing. When do you want to speak to me? We can mutually discuss the timing. Okay, or if you have any questions, you can email me when before. So I think we are covered here. Do we have anything else to talk about? Kiss tracking is I'm giving you as a bonus. Okay, because as you can see here, I'm selling kiss tracking separately and I'm selling this review to profit separately as well. Okay, but if you go and buy using my link, then you will get this as a bonus. Okay, so how do you get all these bonuses? Well, if you go and buy this product for which we have done the review using my link below, then you will get all these bonuses automatically. Okay, otherwise you can go and buy one of those my software which I have shown you, Drishyam AI or Launch to Profit AI. Buy one of these things and then email me your receipt and I'll send you these bonuses manually. Okay, and if you want all these free, if you want everything here as a bonus for free, then you have to go and buy this thing called the YouTube monetization program called Traffic Jarvis. So if you buy this YouTube program, you get all these bonuses for free. Okay, I hope you are clear. One thing in the end, only buy if you want it, otherwise do not buy. Okay, so what I mean to say is buy only if you want it, no refunds. Okay, make up your mind, then only buy from me, right? So use my link below to go and grab your copy if you want it, or if you want my reviews, because here you're getting a lot of value. Okay, I told you I sell this separately. Okay, so maybe you will be buying something for $10, $12, $10, $12, $15, and this is much more worth what you are getting as a bonus. Okay, so only buy if you want it, don't buy if you're a refund seeker. Okay, anyways, thank you for watching so far, and I guess we are done. So subscribe, like, and share. Till then, take care.